And there's her hand. And there's her face. Hand, face. What the heck are you doing? Welcome to the Batcave. Dun dun dun. Wait, that's Star Wars.
Wicked.
Are you filming this?
My epic eye. Thanks to Jenny.
Are you filming this?
No, really? She's just going. Wait, are you?
That sounded like you were like making gross sound effects.
I'll poke you.
Burn.
There's a burn.
Blah 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 blah. Hi. My name.
Check it out! I got me here. Everything. Erica, sing "Twinkle Twinkle Little Star" for the camera.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Wait.
How?
We'll do a replay of the chicken dance. Erica, film us doing the replay of a chicken dance. No,
No,
but we'll do our version with the whack.
No.
I'll grab the wrist.
Hello, Jenny. We are currently in the cabin, and it is very hot in here.
Are you filming me?
Yes, I am.
Hi.
Hi.
Slick.
And Jelaine is somewhere over there.
Look at my lovely tattoo. Ow!
And this is our room. It's
Okay,
very nice.
come with me. You have to meet Mr. Furnace.
Alright, Mr. Furnace is a bitch.
No. You can't see him. Flashlight? We're going to meet Mr. Furnace. It is over 30 degrees in here right now because of this.
Okay, this guy is a bitch.
Piece of shit. And Jelaine is dying.
I'm dying too.
And that's Susie.
And Jelaine is also trying to work out her telekinesis and her telepathicness.
It's not working. Anyways, there's Brooke.
Oh yeah, hello. I love you guys. Our cabin is crazy! Jenny, say hello to the camera. What the hell? That is my question. What the hell? Oh wow. Okay, Jenny, say hello to the
Hi,
camera.
1 second. I need to fix my sleeping bag. I am shit. Whoa, where did my DS go? I think my sleeping bag ate it. Okay. Oh, I found it. Oh my god.
Oh wow. Good job, Jenny. Good job. Jenny.
What do you like?
And this is her lovely tattoo. 14. Yes. And this is my invisible tattoo. Yeah, don't you like it? It's a skull and crossbones with a rose. It's lovely.
Guns and Roses. Wait, I have to film it too.
Ready?
Wait. No.
Ready? Well, I'm ready.
I'm not ready.
I am.
I'm not. Just wait a second.
And for the record, that was my mouth.
Ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Caterpillar.
Don't hit me.
What are you doing?
2, 3.
Oh wow. That's what I would call a fail.
Okay, let me try that again. 2. Is anything behind me?
No.
Okay, move that E8 cream.
She was talking about this.
Yes. That shit right there.
It's not shit. It works
You look
really
like you're
good.
butt fucking someone.
Oh dang.
1, 2.
Sure there isn't a guy in there?
No.
Are you sure?
Oh dang.
Erica, look at me.
No. Okay.
Turn around and look at me. That Erica the caterpillar. Anyway.
1, 2.
God, that looks so dirty.
3. I'm gonna do, okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna jump up, do a somersault in the air, and do a tiny backflip off the floor onto the bed, because do a somersault in the air onto there, but I do not mind hurt myself. And then,
Erica, shut up.
I do a backflip onto it, and I land
Erica
quickly on my
Ross
back.
Cooper.
With
Just
my-
that. Shh. Erica Ross Cooper.
This is kind of freaking me out.
1, 2, 3.
I have to sleep.
Okay, I'll just
This every night. Alright. Well, this
Put your legs down.
Okay, let me try that.
Ow!
Jenny!
Sorry,
So
PG-13.
PG. No, rated R.
Never mind, yeah, it's already R. She's butt fucking in the bed. You have to... Are you... Convulsions.
Oh, wow. That's what I would call an epic fail, okay.
Oh, God.
Well,
I'm gonna die.
oh, God, you're on my butt. Get away from the booty.
I'm falling! Off the... Ow! Just suck your freaking cream. The end.
I'm trying to move up.
That looks so wrong. Ah! Oh my God, kid, get your face away from my butt now.
Bye, Erica.
Hello.
I'll kill you. No! Her bottle. Domi. Back to her face. Down to her hat. Back to her